Creating a video abstract may seem intimidating, but with the right approach, anyone can produce a captivating and effective summary of their research. Here's a straightforward guide to help you create your own video abstract in just a few steps. Step 1. Gather your equipment. You don't need professional video equipment to create a compelling video abstract. Most modern laptops and smartphones have high-quality cameras and editing software built in. Ensure you have a quiet and well-lit space for recording to enhance video quality. Step 2. Script your content. Plan your script carefully, focusing on the key findings and significance of your research. Keep your narration concise, ideally within 2 to 3 minutes. Highlight your main conclusions clearly to ensure viewers grasp the essence of your work quickly. Step 3. Record your video. With your script in hand, it's time to film. Speak clearly and confidently, engaging with your audience throughout. Including shots of yourself presenting can create a personal connection and help viewers relate to the research. Consider incorporating interesting footage relevant to your study, whether it's lab work, field investigations, or other pertinent visuals. Step 4. Edit your video. Once filming is complete, it's important to edit your video for clarity and engagement. Use free video editing software available online to enhance visuals and add graphics or animations that can illustrate your findings effectively. Don't forget to include captions and transcripts for accessibility. Step 5. Optimize and publish. Before sharing your video abstract, ensure it's optimized for search engines. Incorporate relevant keywords in the title and description. Create an appealing thumbnail that reflects your research and make it easily shareable across social media and academic networks. By following these simple steps, you can create a compelling video abstract that not only showcases your research, but also engages a broader audience, making your work more accessible and impactful. With practice, you'll refine your skills and produce video abstracts that effectively communicate the significance of your research.